trouble. Travis Pastrana with a big crash. Oh! Wow.
That one hurt, boys.
Travis running a lap down in 21st place at the time of the accident.
You can see right there, just got loose coming off turn 2. Boy, did he hit that wall.
You can see there is a safer barrier there, I believe, isn't it?
Yeah.
See at the end right here what this gets clipped.
Something turned John West Townley into the wall in the jam up behind Pastrana's crash.
Just a big hit.
And then Joe Nemechek, trying to avoid Townley, found Pastrana sitting right there.
Yeah, that could have been way worse than it was.
Really bad.
What happened? Just fighting for that lucky dog spot. I felt like we had a really good car today. I mean, was really hoping to get up there, and just our car was a little bit free at the beginning of the run, and it tightens up as it goes on and on. So we were trying to get in front of that 30 with Nelson Piquet, but just ran out of talent.